Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a tool that's taking support content to the next level. If you're in need of a fast, easy, and polished way to create how-to videos and guides, then stick around because we're checking out Kroto, available now with an incredible lifetime deal on AppSumo. Let's jump right in. AppSumo is the place to get insane deals on business software, and today's featured deal is Kroto. It's an AI-powered tool that helps you create high-quality, professional how-to videos and step-by-step guides in just minutes. Getting started with Kroto is as easy as it gets. Just download the Chrome extension, hit record, and let the magic happen. You don't even need to worry about editing. Kroto's AI takes care of it for you, adding AI voiceovers, zoom and pan effects, intro and outro screens, GIFs, and click highlights. From there, Kroto's AI converts your footage into a clean, professional how-to video or step-by-step guide in just a few minutes. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you want to flex your editing skills, Kroto lets you do just that. Not only can you swap out the AI voiceover, but you can also edit GIFs, add snapshots, dividers, audio files, background music, and more. It's loaded with options to make your content unique, perfect for product demos, onboarding, and more. And once you're happy with the results, hit publish and share it with your audience. Here's where you get the best bang for your buck. With Kroto's Tier 3 plan, not only do you get 200 credits each month, but you'll also unlock their knowledge base builder. This feature lets you host a fully branded SEO-optimized knowledge base right on your custom domain. Imagine having a centralized hub where users can find exactly what they need, organized by pages, subpages, and nested pages, making everything super accessible. Once you've got support videos ready, it's time to create a fully searchable knowledge base. You can add pages, subpages, and nested pages to better organize all your information, whether you have 10 pages or 100. Thanks to Kroto's powerful search feature, everything is easy to find. And if you're working with a team, no problem. You can add collaborators, assign roles, and manage who can access what. Kroto even lets you host it on your custom domain with just a few clicks. Need to share your videos elsewhere? Kroto's got you covered. Simply copy the public view link or download the video for publishing on other platforms. That's how easy it is to make video content to support your customers, clients, and even internal teams. And there you have it, Kroto. From creating high-quality how-to videos to building an organized knowledge base, this tool makes it all a breeze. If you're ready to simplify your support content and elevate your user experience, don't miss out on the lifetime deal. Just click that buy button to lock in your access to Kroto today.